Hi, my name is Ian. I'm a grade 8 homeroom teacher in LC4. I'm gonna quickly today show you how to add an icon to your navbar. Specifically, we're going to be looking at how to add the new asynchronous independent reading website to your navbar. First step is to be in Brightspace. When you're here at the navbar, just basically put your cursor over top and you're going to see the sidewise hamburger show up. You're going to click that. You're then going to see the option edit this navbar appear, and that's what you're going to click. Once you click that, it's going to take you to this edit navbar page. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar and have seen this before. For those that aren't, with this navbar page, there's the pre-selected navbar icons. You can also add icons. You can reorganize them. So for example, this quizzes one, maybe I want to move up here, I can do that. Maybe I want to put it back. For some reason, I created 2 attendances. I guess that's a Freudian slip because I'm always paranoid about doing attendance, so I only need one of those. Some groups, the link to our Google Classroom, so all of this is here and available. What we're going to be doing today, though, is to add a new link. So what I want to do is I'm going to click Add Link here. It's then going to pop up and provide me a bunch of options. What you're going to see here is a pre-selected list of 90 links that have been put together by Brightspace and the TDSB. Everything's from blog posts, calendar, capstone projects, carousel chats, etc., etc. These are all pre-selected ones and pre-created ones that are available to you. What I want to do today, though, is I want to create a custom link. So I want to make a link that's not actually available within these presets. So I'm going to do create custom link. Okay. When I go here, the first thing I'm going to do is to give the link a name. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go to the Google site page that was put together, the asynchronous independent reading page. I'm going to be selecting this name. I'm just going to copy that here. I'm going to go here. And then for the URL, I'm going to go back again to this to the site. I'm going to copy the URL. This website will be sent along to you as a part of this video, so you should have this. So again, what did I do? For the name, I used the name of the website, which is Asynchronous Independent Reading. For the URL, I did the URL where I just copied the web page, the main, like the HTTPS, and I put that there. Now for behavior, there's a few different options. You can, for example, have this open in the same window you're in, which I believe will actually close the window you're in, or more ideally, you'll open a new tab or a new window so you wouldn't close Brightspace. And I would just, the pre-select is here and I would just keep that. Next thing what you want to do for this is want to add a picture. So what I did already is I had downloaded the TDSB logo. So I'm just going to click the upload button. I put it in my downloads, delete the logo. If you want, I will also include this PNG file to make it simpler. So here's a PNG file of the TDSB logo. I'm going to click open, and then there it should appear. Now what I'm going to be doing is clicking this create button here at the bottom. So click that blue create button. And there we go, asynchronous independent learning pops up right here, alphabetical. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click add. And then there you go, asynchronous independent learning. Now you might notice the name doesn't fully appear here. What you can do if you want, you can just call it independent reading, or something else as you wish. It still doesn't fully appear. Now with this, you can decide where exactly you want to put it. I'm going to move it up here a little higher because I want my students to see this. So I'm going to actually put it up here next to my Google Classroom link. After that, I'm going to go here. And then here we go. So looking now at the navbar, we have course home, Brightspace help, etc., etc. And then we get to the independent reading page right